Alright, so I have this bag to be repaired right here at this seam where the zip is. It's a leather bag. It's undoing itself, right? So I'm gonna repair this section of it. Alright, so remove this test sample that I test the stitch on, and I'm going to start the process. I'm using a leather needle, size 18. Start the machine. Stitch length, I'm using 3.5. Two back tack. Going forward now. Then I'm going to walk the hand wheel over this metal teeth. All right. Back tack. All right, so quick alteration on a leather bag. All right. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching.